Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about again what is going on with the market and what exactly am I doing right now. So stick around because this is gonna be one informative video for you guys. Welcome back. So I just wanted to make a video regarding, because someone asked me like what are you doing right now when all the market is literally for the last 7 to 8 weeks consistently being in red. Once in a while we get a green day, like for instance I think it was yesterday a little bit the market bounced back, but overall the market is in the downward position. Everything is in red, even the crypto tanked today, and they tanked massively. Literally I was looking and checking, the Bitcoin was at 32 something, Ethereum came to 24 25 from above being $4,000. So what is going on with the overall market? And I think the market is looking for its base. I don't think it's market crash. I think there is a massive correction going on. The whole market was in a bubble, especially after the corona pandemic. Overall the market caught a bullish trend. Loads and loads of money was being added up to the market so that with the pandemic the market does not crash. So because of that also, of course, the bullish trend, the market was in a bubble, and now the issue came is that people are afraid of inflation. There are questions whether how much of inflation will occur. Taxes issues are there. Overall, still we don't know how long the corona issue will stay. There are certain variants, especially in India now, in Brazil as well, and we don't know whether the current vaccines are sufficient enough and are suffice enough to handle those variants at the moment. That's why certain areas still in Europe, there are certain travels have been banned at the moment. Of course, in England, for instance, right now things are opening up, but it depends from area to area. Now the travel stocks are tanking again because of the variants. So overall, there is a lot going on, and I think because of that the market is still looking for its base. Nothing is certain yet, and that's why I'm looking for stocks that are growth stocks, but in the next 5 to 6 years these stocks are going to be really good. I'm looking for the base of those stocks, and every time stocks like that go like very deep, for instance, if in a matter of day or two they go 10% down, then I'm loading up. One example of that is NEO, and I'm gonna show you why. For example, a stock like NEO, buying now is not a bad idea. Remember, you should do your own research. I told you I'm not buying, but stocks like NEO, for example, Beem is another example. These stocks, when they dip down, when they go down beyond 10% per day, I'm buying it, because when they go that much down, the bounce back is huge because people know the potential of these stocks on the long term. So one example is Beem. I'm going to quickly show you Beem. This is what I wanted to show you about NEO, but I'm going to quickly give you the example of Beem actually, because this is very interesting. So a stock like Beem, when they dip, if you look at this chart, for example, so that was a couple of days back. Let's look at 1 month chart. Here you can't see it here, but it tanked and it was trading at $18, and immediately the next day it went back to 23 24. So in a matter of few hours actually, so the market was closing, and the next day early morning the stock was trading at 24 25. So in a matter of literally few hours, market open hours I'm considering, the stock was up literally 25 to 30%. These stocks have a certain base. For example, for Beem, I personally believe the baseline at the moment is between 22 to 24, something like that. And why is that? Because people know the potential in these stocks on the longer term. Beem, for sure, I am highly bullish on Beem. Once it becomes profitable, this stock is gonna be one golden stock. I think it's worth $200 stocks easily when the market gets its bullish trend again in the next 24 months. The other stock that I wanted to show you first was NEO. I personally think the run that Tesla had, it's not far from Neo. But it was Vijay Rakesh few weeks ago who talked about it, that Neo, he believes by end of 2022 will be profitable. Tesla took 18 years to become profitable, and after that, we saw what happened to Tesla. It had a massive bull run. That could potentially happen to Neo as well. So, what I'm doing right now overall, I'm not buying random stocks. I'm patient, but stocks like Neo, Beem, Plug, Blink, these potentially massive in future stocks like that, I'm waiting for opportunities. Whenever it dip down massively, I load up on it. And that's what I wanted to tell you. The other reason is I'm not the only one. If you look at the Wall Street point of view on stocks like NIO, for example, they see 83% upside potential in this stock in the next 12 months, seeing it as a stock of $60 from now on. Right now, it's trading at 32. Beam, for example, they see it as a stock of 61 in the next 12 months, seeing a potential of 158% upside potential in this stock, and considering it a moderate buy. So that was my brief video for you guys regarding what's going on with the market and what am I right now doing, and overall point of view of where exactly the base might be. We don't know where the base might be, but I personally think, based on what's going on with corona variants, the taxes issue, the inflation issues, things like that, we are not sure where exactly the base will be. The market potentially is going to go further down, but it is not a market crash, it is correction, and the overall bubble has been bursted, and I'm sure the market will get its momentum back and the bullish trend will come back. Every bear market is replaced by a bullish market, and these stocks will come back, but when, this we don't know yet. So this was my point of view on growth stocks and overall stock market. I'm highly bullish on stocks like Neo, Beam, Blink, Tesla, for example. Really good opportunities, but wait for it. When it tanks massively per day, you can load up on it, because overall they have the base. Neo has its base, it's somewhere between 32 to 37, where is between that. So now if it tanks to 30, you can load up on stock like that, you can even trade it. Beam is the same. So that is my point of view on overall stock market. If you have your suggestion or your point of view, or if you have something that you want me to make a video about, please put it in the comments. I will for sure consider it. And subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this community, because I'm gonna keep on uploading videos like that in the near future. I will see you in the next video.